Alright, so I'm going to do a quick review of my TV. It is a Samsung Q60A. It's a 55-inch. The reason I went with Samsung is I already have Samsung laptop, I have a Samsung phone, and I wanted to see what it was like to have the full ecosystem going and see how it would function. Now, one second, I got something going on. I need to pause the video. Okay, so the TV I got is actually last year's model. It's the 2021 version, but I don't really need all the crazy features that come with the new version. One of the things that I like about having a Samsung TV is supposedly I should be able to connect basically screencast whatever's on my laptop onto the big monitor, the TV, and use it sort of like a big monitor. So I could expand it and basically have the monitor be an expansion of my desktop, or I can just cast or screen share whatever's on my screen onto the big monitor. And I wanted to see how well that works. And I've already noticed a couple things that I don't like about it, so I'm going to show you here. Now, the way that you would do this, there's actually a couple ways that you can do it. You can come here, click on the notification button, and you've actually got two options. You can project, or you can go to the one where it says connect. We're going to go to project, and then we're going to duplicate. Let's duplicate. And actually, let's see if it'll let me do this. And right here, you're going to connect to a wireless display. And then you select your monitor. And then, boom. Now, when I first connected, it was super pixelated. Like, the whole thing was pixelated everywhere. Couldn't see a darn thing. But the other thing is that it's super laggy. Like, let me get a little closer. There's a lot of, it gets super pixelated every time I do anything on here. So if I click here, oh. Allow input to Google Mouse. I didn't even see what that said, but normally, well, when I first did this, it was super pixelated. Now it seems to be working fine. Let me see if I opened up a bunch of different windows here just so that we could, yeah, okay, it's working fine. Before, it was getting all crazy. Yeah, you can see it now. See how it's kind of pixelated, not a sharp image. There it goes. And it takes it about 2 to 5 minutes to actually, and then anytime I move anywhere, it gets pixelated. Let's go back here. So there's no telling when it's going to do it, but usually if you're switching from one tab to another or just minimizing, it's really, really annoying that it's not like a smooth transition. So obviously you can get an HDMI cable and connect HDMI to HDMI. And I believe if you do it that way, it's going to be really smooth transitions all the way through. I haven't tried it yet because I don't have an HDMI cable yet. I'm in a new place, so I don't even have a decent couch yet. But so yeah, there's the project option. And then you can come here and disconnect. And you can come back down here, take a look, sorry. And then the other option was you can use the connect option. So if you go here and go to connect, then you select your TV from the list here. Now, that's exactly what happened, only it was way worse when I did the project option. Again, it's going to take about 3 to 5 minutes for it to unpixelate, and the same issue. That was actually super quick, but if you come back here, it will most likely, now that I'm doing a video, it wants to work well. Yes, the smooth transition, the way it's supposed to, all the way through. But once in a while, you know, if I keep using this enough, there it goes, it starts to get all distorted and pixelated, and then, you know, yeah, you kind of see it in the bottom corner there, and then it corrects itself. So as I work, it will get pixelated. And there's no telling when it's going to happen and how long it's going to take for it to unpixelate, but it's really annoying. So I don't like that. So hopefully they fix that with the newer models. This one, it was, you know, it was last year's model. I didn't really care about all the, you know, extra features on the new one. There really wasn't that much of a difference that I cared about. I mean, I'm sure the resolution was you know, better and things like that, but it still had all of these other features that I'm showing you right now. So I liked the option of not having to connect an HDMI cable and have this long cable stretching from the couch all the way to the TV. Now, I do have another monitor in my office, and I can connect to that monitor in the office only with an HDMI cable, because it is not a Samsung monitor, it's just a regular PC monitor. It's an LG. And it works great when I do it there. But you know, if for whatever reason I just wanted to use this monitor, yeah, it just doesn't work that well. Now, I did try out Samsung DeX with my phone and the TV, and Samsung DeX was amazing. There was no pixelation, it wasn't laggy. I was able to use my phone almost like a mouse pad, or exactly like a mouse pad, and navigate all of the options on the screen using my phone as a mouse pad, sort of like a trackpad. It was awesome. So, you know, when you have, I don't know, like vacation photos and things like that, and videos of the kids that you want to share with family and friends when they come over, you'll be able to do that. Everybody will be able to see it on a big monitor, instead of having to kind of just have everybody huddle over the phone or pass the phone around. It's a great feature to have, where you can kind of share that content with everybody. Sort of almost like, I don't know if you guys remember the old fashioned projector slideshows that you guys that your parents used to do with the family, and you know, show the birthday parties off and things like that. It's basically the same concept, only now you don't need a big projector or all that fancy equipment. You just need your phone and the TV, which, you know, it's kind of nice. Also, you know, you kind of like to work off of your phone and you don't have a laptop, you could do that as well. You can have your TV monitor be your screen, your main screen, and then you can, instead of using the phone as a trackpad only, you can, you know, type a whole Google document using your phone as like a mini keyboard, and you can just sort of text, you know, the document out on Google Docs, and you can see it on the big monitor there if you want to do it that way. Now you do also have options to connect like peripherals like Bluetooth keyboards and stuff like that. So if you wanted to do like, there's like the Samsung Dex dock, so you can just dock your phone there and then use the Bluetooth keyboard and Bluetooth to the phone and use your TV as your monitor and work that way, which is great for those of you that don't have a tablet or a laptop yet. You can still work right off of your phone. Super cool features. I really like what they're doing with Samsung Dex, and I like how Samsung is trying to sort of copy Apple and do this whole ecosystem thing. I really like that whole feature. I'm not happy with the projection and connecting wirelessly so far. Hopefully they'll fix that, or they have fixed that with the newer models. So hope this video helped anyone interested in getting that line of TV.